everybody! I'm here today to show you how to make coffee in a coffee maker. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. What you're going to need is a coffee maker. You're going to potentially need a filter, a coffee filter, or if your coffee maker has a permanent one like this, you can use a paper filter or a permanent one like this, okay? You're also going to need a coffee scoop, okay? Just like this. It probably came with your coffee maker. You're gonna need your mug with water. Or you can fill this with water, but you're gonna need some water and probably a mug to pour the coffee into. And you're gonna need your desired coffee of choice. This is one of my favorites that I use all the time. I'm gonna place it off to the side there so we get some more space to work with. Okay, very simple. Very, very simple. What you want to do first is you want to pour in the desired amount of water. So what you want to do is usually your water reservoir is going to be accessed by the top. So I've opened that up. As you can see once again, I opened that up. And we have our water reservoir right here, okay? You're gonna pour in the amount of water that you want to brew. Now you can use your actual carafe as a measuring tool, okay? So you can, fill this up with water and then pour it into there. Because I'm the only one that drinks coffee in my household, so I like to just put the amount of coffee that I want in a cup, okay? And of water, so the same amount of water that I want, and I pour it into there. So pour it into your water reservoir, okay? If you, by any chance, spilled some into this area where the filter is and it ended up going inside of the carafe, what you can do is just take the excess that poured into the carafe and pour it in there, okay? So you basically want the amount of water that you want in the reservoir and an empty carafe, because if you have water in here, it's gonna dilute your coffee, okay? Very simple. Now what you want to do, look on the side and determine how much water is in there. There's going to be an indicator, okay? I can see the amount of water that's in there is basically just above 2 cups of water, okay? Now this cup is referring to like a measurement, right, ratio, instead of like a mug can be any size. So you want to pay attention to how many cups of water you have in the coffee maker. Next, you want to open it up and you want to, if you have a paper filter, you want to put your paper filter in there. Make sure that this piece is in place, because this is like the basket over here that's going to keep everything in place. But if you have a paper filter, put it in. If you're using a permanent filter like this one, a reusable one, put it in like that. Next, you want to put in your coffee grounds. So I have my coffee over here. Now, the amount of coffee that you put in there is your own preference. My rule of thumb, what I use is 1 coffee scoop of coffee grounds per cup of coffee. So I see there's basically 2 cups in here when we looked on the side. So I'm going to put basically 2 scoops. Not 2 heaping scoops. I like to just use 2 regular scoops, okay? So just like that, there's 1 scoop. Put it in the filter, okay? Put it in the filter. Make sure you have your either paper filter or your reusable permanent filter in there. There's 2, okay? Place that to the side. Close your lid. Very important. Make sure the lid is closed all the way. If it's a little bit open, steam is going to escape. It's not going to brew properly, okay? Make sure your lid is closed. I've made that mistake a few times. Make sure it's closed, okay? Next, all that you have to do is turn it on. So figure out where your on or off button is and turn it on. It might be a button, it might be a switch, it might be a lever. Figure it out. In my case, I have to push this button right here. And I would turn it on like that, and then it would brew. The coffee would brew. Now, I'm just going to turn it off because I just had my coffee, if you could probably tell because of my high energy level. So I'm not going to brew this now. I'm going to end up brewing this later in the day. But what you want to do, turn the coffee machine on and leave it on. Once again, I'm just going to turn it off, but leave it on, and it's going to brew, and it's going to brew the coffee. And that's how to make coffee in a coffee maker. Very, very easy to do. Really easy, really simple. You can make delicious coffee, and you can adjust the amount of water or the amount of coffee grounds that you are using to suit your own needs. The coffee will brew into the carafe. When it's done, you'll know it's done because it won't keep brewing like nothing else. Once the dripping stops, it should be done. Then you can take your carafe out and you can pour it into the mug. You can go and pour the water into the mug. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.